How does one make a milk-based drink without it curdling and ruining everything? Milk-based drinks are a popular choice for many people, but they can be tricky to make. One of the most common problems when making milk-based drinks is curdling, which can ruin the entire drink. Here are some tips to help you make a milk-based drink without it curdling. Choose the right milk. The type of milk you use can make a big difference in whether or not your milk-based drink curdles. Full-fat dairy milk is less likely to curdle than low-fat or non-dairy milk. If you're using non-dairy milk, look for a brand that is specifically formulated for use in hot drinks. Heat the milk slowly. When heating milk, it's important to do so slowly and over low heat. If the heat is too high, the milk can scorch and curdle. It's also important to stir the milk constantly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Add a stabilizer. Adding a stabilizer to your milk-based drink can help prevent curdling. Common stabilizers include cornstarch, flour, and arrowroot powder. Mix a small amount of the stabilizer with cold milk before adding it to the heated milk. This will prevent clumps from forming. Avoid acidic ingredients. Acidic ingredients such as citrus fruits or vinegar can cause milk to curdle. If you're adding these ingredients to your milk-based drink, do so slowly and stir constantly to prevent curdling. Use a frother. A frother can help incorporate the milk and prevent curdling. Frothers are commonly used to make cappuccinos and lattes, but they can also be used for other milk-based drinks. They work by creating a vortex that helps mix the milk with the other ingredients. Use a blender. If you're making a milk-based smoothie or shake, a blender can help prevent curdling. Blending the ingredients together creates a smooth and consistent texture that's less likely to curdle. Don't overheat the milk. Overheating the milk can cause it to curdle. When heating milk, heat it until it's warm but not boiling. If you're using a microwave, heat the milk in 30-second intervals and stir between each interval. Add flavorings last. If you're adding flavorings such as syrups or extracts to your milk-based drink, do so after the milk has been heated and removed from the heat source. Adding flavorings to hot milk can cause it to curdle. Use fresh milk. Fresh milk is less likely to curdle than milk that is close to its expiration date. Make sure to check the expiration date on the milk before using it in your milk-based drink. In conclusion, making a milk-based drink without curdling requires a bit of attention to detail. Choose the right milk, heat it slowly, add a stabilizer, avoid acidic ingredients, use a frother or blender, don't overheat the milk, add flavorings last and use fresh milk. By following these tips, you can enjoy a delicious milk-based drink without worrying about curdling.